Hello everyone, this is your Liban Juma channel. Kasi guys, magpunta ako ng doktor ngayon. May check up na naman ako ngayon guys. So, samahan niyo ako doon. Ay, papunta pala. Hindi mo sasamahan ng whole time. So, yan, kailangan manipis na lang suotin ngayon. Mainit kasi sa labas. Tapos yung aircon, pagamit. Wala kasing yung check-up ko dapat July 31. Mainit yung car. Ngayon papagamit ni Madam yung kanyang kanyang car na mamahalin. Inexpensive. Hinihintay ko pa yung driver kasi hindi na mag-lipstick kasi hindi naman party yung pupuntahan. Check up naman. Laki ng mukha. Daming bit-bit. Wala na summer na nangamatay ng aking gulay dito oy. Naubos na ang mga malunggay and everything, patay na. Namatay pati kamuti. Agoy, para lang yung pag-ibig ko na namatay na. Char, just lang. Walang ganun. Yan, yung car na yan. Yan ang gagamitin namin. Kasi when we go late, last time we go late, why it? Mushkila. Oh no. Water, cola, and this. Banjin Mafi? Kalas, what di Banjin? Alhin ko barbaan sa? Bagyong alikabok.
Ano mo dyan?
Ha?
Mo dyan na ka?
Hada lasong lasong inside. Always checking the prosthetic. That's why every 2 weeks we're gonna go.
Only check.
Yeah, check and put medicine, give medicine. You must go on last July 31, but car mafi aircon. I told Madam روح هذا أنا سيارة. Go in my car.
Car Masawi.
Masawi alhin? Baba Arab?
Baba wadi.
Baba wadi. Okay. And sino albis alhin hada car? What car you are using when you go? Malbaba Wanet? Okay.
Mama ro ada siya. Ana ro baba ka.
Okay. Hada abud baad fi schedule today 9 o'clock. Bas Madam Gol kalas ro maybe Roma ababa mungkin madre. Banji.
Ay,
Pagasolina.
baba ko.
Sleep. They are sleeping. Patma only gaadol. I want you. But din anagul anay pero I want to go hospital. I have schedule now. I mean, I can come back. We will go early so that we will come home early. And then I will stay with you ba din. She's waiting for me. Gapul. Before she sleep, she want me. Scratch her back. Massage. Yan, magpagasolina daw kami, guys. Magpagasolina kami. Ayan. Hanggang dito na muna kasi bawal ang cellphone sa loob. And this is your Divine Jovin channel. Bye, everyone.